What's up, guys? It's Matt. I'm here with the Pro MT. Boom. That's right. We're at the track. We're gonna do a little racing and show you guys really what this Pro MT can do on a track. I've been driving it around a little bit. It is insane. The suspension is smooth as heck. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys what is on this truck here so you guys can get an idea. All right. I painted up a new Ford Raptor body. Okay. It's pretty dope looking. Pretty sick. Blue and black. All right. Now what I'm running on here, I've got the Spec shocks front and rear. Okay, I'm running a Castle Creations 2400 kV brushless motor. Okay, this is a 3S Lipo battery, Lipo motor. I am running a 3S Lipo battery. It's currently charging, and that's pretty much it. I've got a simple Traxxas servo in here because I blew up my old one. Now I've also got the trencher tires on here that come stock with this truck, you know, with the kit. And that's pretty much it. Also aluminum hubs in the rear and some carbon fiber secure points on the towers, if you guys can see it. I know it's kind of hard with the lighting. There's carbon fiber on the shock towers here and carbon fiber on this rear shock tower as well. It's just a brace to help it. So a lot of guys have been asking me as far as, you know, how does this thing do on the track besides just bashing. So I've got it here today and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is. Well, my buddy Chris is going to be helping me film while I drive the car. We might switch off, so we'll see. Anyways, guys, enjoy.
The dangers of cameraman. That was pretty sweet. That was pretty sweet. Reverse!
Almost does better.
Yeah, it does better. That was nice right there, man. Nice usage of the brake. What? Yeah, it does. Oh my goodness!
Now we're just having fun.
Yep. And there she goes. Oh my lord. Wheelie. Ouch. That was nice. Pinion gear. I can hear it from here.
Yep. All right, so that you know, that about wraps it up. I think the pinion gear fell apart again in it, but as you guys can see, this thing is a beast. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.